Hello, I'm David from Eden Motorgroup. This behind me is the Vauxhall Mokka-e, and it's the car that I've been looking forward to driving most ever since they announced it a few years ago. 21 years ago, Vauxhall launched the VX220, a car that actually got me into cars. Well, one of them anyway. And now, 21 years later, I'm getting that same fizz from looking at this car. I mean, look at it. Now, the SE starts around £30,500 at the time of recording this video. That means it will come as standard with a multimedia Navi Pro system, which has a 7-inch touchscreen and it includes things like DAB radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, Vauxhall connected services as well. The car is quite well spec'd as standard. It comes with 6 speakers, an auto dipping mirror as well, LED lights all the way around with high beam control on the fronts. 16-inch wheels, climate control, auto wipers, and a smorgasbord of safety stuff, including smart braking systems and adaptive cruise control, rear sensors, and a camera with hill hold assist as well. Then we get to move over to the SRI and the Elite Premium, both of which are spec'd very similar with some minor changes with some black outer trim and inner trim and wheel sizes. The SRI will add a nice black garnish on the outside and a 10-inch color infotainment system on the inside with built-in navigation as well. You'll get heated front seats, you'll get a heated steering wheel. You also get Vauxhall's Plus driver assistance service. This adds forward collision alert at any speed, automatic emergency city braking, lane positioning assistant, and Vauxhall Connect with eCall for emergency situations. You also get front and rear sensors this time around, as well as keyless entry. But once we get over to the Ultimate, we are truly moving up to some staggering equipment. You'll get electric massaging leather seats on the vehicle, advanced park assist, matrix headlights, and some chrome on the outside as well. There is more, and if you wanted to find out what those were, don't forget to give us a ring on the number on screen right now. No matter what spec you get with the Mokka, whether it's an SE or an Ultimate or a Launch Edition, they all come with the same battery. That is a 136 PS 50 kilowatt hour battery under the bonnet, or the car, one of those two. This means the Mokka-e is good for around about 200 miles worth of range. It can also take a 100 kilowatt hour rapid charger as well. All of this sounds very nice, but if you manage to get yourself on a 100 kilowatt hour charger, which are more and more common these days, you will find yourself going from 15 to 80% in around about 30 minutes. And on a standard 50 kilowatt hour rapid charger, 45 minutes is all it will take. You can also set the car up for immediate or delayed charging so that if you have an EV tariff at home, you can make sure that you're not spending too much on your electricity bill. And that's really everything you need to know. The car's got regen braking as well, and of course comes with the cables that you need to charge it at home. But enough about the batteries. Let's head on out on a virtual test drive. Okay, so welcome to the virtual road test of the Vauxhall Mokka-e. This is the launch edition, which essentially comes with pretty much everything you get on the Ultimate, which is nice. We've got these lovely leather seats, and we've got the nice reversing camera. We've got the 10-inch Navi display over there. We got the heated steering wheel, which I'm going to turn on right now actually, which is on the button on the steering wheel just here. Lovely. It heats the whole steering wheel as well, so top to bottom, which means when you're feeding it through your hands, it's always nice and warm, which is good. So here we go, the first test of acceleration. We're coming up to the dual carriageway, and I'm now going to go into sport, which is the drive mode selector down in the center console, and floor it. There we go. Pretty good acceleration, not gonna lie. Well, we're already coming up to 70 there, so that's good. The dash and the layout of this car is really modern, really funky. I love it. Everything faces you, so the screen faces slightly towards you. The vents are kind of curved towards you. The steering wheel is nice and sporty. Now you can do the climate controls through the touchscreen on there, or if you prefer, variety is the spice of life, so you can do it through the standard controls down there. Okay, so let's sticker in radar cruise mode, as that comes standard on all of the range of vehicles, and just relax for a few minutes, take in our surroundings. The seats are particularly comfortable. I probably can't tell right now, but I'm just wiggling to get a nice comfy mesh in them. They're firm and supportive. I really do appreciate that. Footrest is in a really nice position as well, and then your leg kind of lies against this side bit of console here, and it's a really good driving position for the car. I can't compliment that enough. Now, I've driven the normal Mokka a little bit, and I really like the car. A lot of the design aspects are very, very similar, but by having it electric and having no gearbox at all, but a drive selector and having that instant torque and acceleration, uplifts the car from being really a very good car into a truly great car. I really have been looking forward to driving this because I enjoyed the standard Mokka so much, and it is something about this car. I don't know what it is. I really love the outside of it. I love the fact that you can get it in some gorgeous colors. This green, I would buy this green. If I was to buy a Mokka-e, I would buy this green. They also do a blue and a red, white, you know, the black and all that sort of stuff, but I love the funky colors, what a car should have. Having that higher up driving position as well, especially on these back roads, always feels nice. And having that responsiveness of the electric motor means you're never really feeling too worried about what's coming the other way, which is good. Here's something I really want to show you. If I go into reverse, it paints the picture behind me. Check it out. As I drive, it paints the picture on the right-hand side of the screen. That's genius, but that's enough from me. If you want to book yourself a test drive or find out any more information about the Mokka-e, don't forget to give us a ring on the number on screen right now, or of course, send us an email. Thank you very much for watching.
One last thing. When you purchase your brand new electric vehicle from Eden Motorgroup, make sure to quote Eden EV1 at the point of purchase, and you can have your first service on us. Offer ends 1st of April 2022. Thank you very much for watching.